Our team orchestrated 23 spatial interventions to make sure every sideline coalesces with nature's covers. Through breakfast look to master bath, curated interiors, and organic spectacles, dissolved through innovative multi-materials and global top functional hardwares. We have always been much more focused on high-end projects, which targeting to Italian top brands. We would like to design and create something we wouldn't have otherwise made. We like design and we like innovations by nowadays China manufacturer. This is CIANDRE from BK CIANDRE, a China high-end design and manufacturer. This project's defining feature is 270-degree panoramic view of the natural lake scenery. Our client's requirements is a clean minimalist with luxury details and ensuring every area connects visually with the natural landscape. Sweeping curved glass partition, when people enter, they can feel minimalist, authentic with ceremony grace. Actually, functional hardware elevates daily rotors. These shoes cabinets with Seneto folding door reveals seamless storage. Every detail whispers sophistication. Floor-to-ceiling windows bath the living room in nature's embrace. This creates instant serenity. A multi-material combination, cement ceilings, flow into the arc lacquered oak panels, Phoenix white, lacquered on white, which stays a beauty of warm white. RP veneer punctuating in different space to have a tactile dialogue. This bedroom is one of my favorites. The seamless integrations of doors and all panels creates architectural purity. When open, the bath area becomes immersed in nature. What's more, an LED lighting organizer is super cool. When sitting here, through the pivot doors movement, curated sightlines to the living room, you can feel the dense beauty of personal privacy and the family together enjoying. This space is super amazing. When it turns outward, your eyes feel full of panoramic lake view. When it turns inward, seamless harmony of bespoke doors and all panels cradles the space in uninterrupted serenity. Under the whole atmosphere, leather finish white job looks very elegant and shows gentle whisper of craftsmanship. When step through the bath area, you can feel the space is magically multiplied by mirror pivot door. In this open-close space, in-season and off-season essentials are elegantly separated. When walk into this family sharing style space, the most attractive elements is red LED light floating shelf. Acts as a chromatic conductor in the whole atmosphere, especially in the afternoon when sunshine filters through the windows. The entire space is very nice. This area creates more family time actually. Due to original structure of the house, so when sit in dining area, you can see varying depth cabinets. And architectural pivot door maintains unbroken dialogue between interior environment and the living landscape. Between kitchen and dining, this magic door is designed as a partition. Full collection of hardware organizers actually crafts seamless harmony between luxury and functionality. This is Angela from BK CIANDRE. We like design, we like to make innovation by nowadays China manufacturing.